Hello friends, welcome back to my channel which is Network Talks. Today in this tutorial we are going to build a Telegram bot to send messages to your Telegram group or channel using API call. So before starting our video, we would like to tell you that we are also on Telegram. So if you want to join us on Telegram, the link is given in the video description. So please check it out and connect with us. Now my mobile screen where Telegram app is open. Now we will create new group for testing. So click on this option, new group. So while creating new group, you need to add one of the member to the group. So I am adding one of my own contact to the group. Proceed, giving name to the group as my test group. Okay, now our group is created. Now we will make this group as public. So click on the group name, edit option, select group type, public. So when you create group as public, you need to provide one link to the group. That link will be unique to the group. So I am selecting one link as my test group. So now this link name is available to use. So I am selecting this one and click OK. OK. Now our group is ready and now we are good to go for further steps. So next step is to create the bot account for our group. So to create the bot account, search for bot father. Select first one. So this is the bot which is ruling all the bots which are available on Telegram. So click on start. Now to create a new bot, give command as new bot. You will get the suggestions. Now we need to proceed as per the suggestions or steps given by bot father. So now it is asking to choose the name. So I am selecting name as my new bot. Okay. Now it is asking to set the username. So while setting the username, you need to end our username with bot keyword as given there. So I am selecting bot name as Network Talks and ending Network Talks username with bot. Now our bot is ready, and with this bot we have got the token for our bot. This is the token here. This token we need to keep it very secure, because in any case if our token is leaked, then our bot can be manipulated or someone can misuse it. So we need to take care on that part. So now the next step is we need to search for the group help bot. So select the first one, click start. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to copy this message which we got from the bot folder and just forward it to group help bot. Now it's loading. Now if you see, we have got the message from group help bot that our bot is now working. So now we can use this bot anywhere. So next step is we will go to the group and add our bot account as administrator of the group. So click on the group name, edit option, administrators, and add admin. So click on add admin, search for our bot, my new bot. So you are seeing multiple options here with the same name. If you are not able to figure out which is your bot, search it using username, because that username will be unique. Now this is the one we got. The username is Network Talks bot and the name is my new bot. I am selecting that one. I am keeping the default permissions as it is. Click OK. Now if you go to the group, you will see messages as that my new bot account is added to the group as an administrator. Okay, if you did not get the message, you can just put as reload command in the group. So the group will reloaded and you will see the bot is restarted and now admin list is updated. The message is got from my new bot. Now we all are set to request the API call for sending the message. Now you are seeing the notepad on my mobile. So this is the API syntax which we are going to call for sending message to the group. Okay, so in this API syntax request, three things are important. One is a bot token, second is a group chat ID, and third is the text message that we are going to send to the group. So we already got the token while creating the bot. Now we will need the group chat ID. So I will show you what is a group chat ID. So group chat ID is nothing but our group link which we have set. So I will go to the Telegram app and then I will copy that particular group chat ID from there. So now I am in the Telegram app I am selecting the group that we have created, go under group name and copy the link from info. Now I am pasting that particular group link here. So this name which we have set under group link is nothing but our group chat ID. Now what I will do, I will paste the bot token as well as the group chat ID in the syntax. Now I have copied bot token as well as group chat ID in our syntax. Now in this section of text I am going to add my customized message. So I am adding message as hi, welcome to my group. Okay, now I have added message. Now I will copy whole syntax as it is, and then I will go to my mobile browser and just call that API call. So here my mobile browser is open. Now I'm just putting our API request in the browser. As soon as my API request is executed, I should be able to get the message in our Telegram group. So I'm selecting OK. If you see, my API call executed and I got the message in the group as welcome to my group. Now we will again try few more requests. So instead of this message, now I am adding message as welcome to Network Talks. I will copy this as it is. Again I am putting that particular request into browser. Send. This executed and I got the message in the group as welcome to Network Talks. So if you see, the message that I am getting are from my new bot. This is the bot that we have created. This way you can create the bot and send messages to your group as well as channels on Telegram through API calls. I hope you find this video useful. In any case, if you are facing any issues or you have any questions, please let me know in the comment box.